Hello everyone. So today I'm going to continue with the Mackenzie Child theme ornaments. Here I made a wooden disc and I painted as a checker pattern. I think I found this at Marshall's or either at Amazon, I'm not sure. So it is super easy to do, and you can also do it in other different colors depending on your Christmas tree theme. The first thing that I did is I painted the disc in white, and then I used the ruler mat that I have underneath to make the lines. That way I have perfect squares. So here I'm showing you another alternative. I have this painter's pen in the color black, and all I'm doing is I'm tracing on top of the lines that are already made for the squares. This is better if you don't have a sturdy hand like me and your squares are all over the place. After I finish painting my squares, I use this Rust-Oleum gloss clear to cover the paint, and also it gives it a more shiny look. And so now I took a drill and I made a little hole, that way it's easier for me to hang the ornament on the Christmas tree. So here I have this trim. I used it before on other ornaments, and I'm just going to glue the trim all around the wooden disc. And so now I have here this self-adhesive gems. I think they're used for scrapbook. I also think I got it from Walmart. And I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue them at the edge of every square. And now I'm gonna use these little balls. I also got them at Walmart, and I'm going to glue that at the top, just where I put the ribbon to hang the wooden disc. Here's another idea, but I didn't want to get you through the whole process again. So I did is I took a piece of wood in the shape of a heart, and I painted the checker pattern. And here I'm using a pen paint Sharpie in the color gold, and I'm just going over the edge of each square and at the edge of the heart. So now I took some red paint and I did some red dots on the corner of each of the squares. I really wanted some gems, some red gems or flat back beads on that will be red, but I couldn't find any, so I just did this to give you an idea. Hopefully you guys can try this and put some red gem in, and it will give it a more sparkly look. And then I used some Mod Podge, and it's a gloss finish, and this is how it looks. Here's the finished ornament. Well guys, hope you liked this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.